If you want to do something big in life or something different, or you want to be successful from where you are right now, you will face some challenges in your path which we are going to talk today. This you will learn from the story of Jonathan Livingston Seagull. So this is a book by Richard Bach that I read a few days ago and thought I should make a video on this. So I'll give you a summary of this book, a short one, and I think you should read this book once because this will give you a whole new perspective on life. So this video is divided into 3 parts, so make sure you see all and stick till the end of the video. ज़्यादातर सीगल्स क्या करते हैं, वो सिर्फ बेसिक फ्लाइट्स ही लर्न करती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दे जस्ट फ्लाई टू ईट फूड, दे जस्ट फ्लाई टू fetch fish from the sea. But Jonathan, our main character, is a little different from other seagulls who loved to fly, who loved to do different things, different stunts, and he loved to make his skills more advanced. Since he loved flying, his parents are disappointed as they thought he was not doing anything. He was not eating food, he was not sleeping properly, but he was just flying. Jonathan wanted to be a good son, so he tried to be one, but since he loved flying, he was always toward it. एक रात वो 90 माइल्स पर आवर की स्पीड से उड़ रहा था और गलती से वो पानी में गिर गया और उसको चोट आ गई. He sank low in water and then he got a voice. There was no one around him, but still he was hearing it. He was hearing that I am not a seagull, I am a very limited person, I am meant only to fetch fishes, not to fly higher, I am creating a foolish mess, and all kind of negative voices. And he was deeply negative after hearing this because he thought it was true. While returning to home, he was deeply sad and was constantly thinking about it. On his way home, he got an amazing idea. उसको लगा कि अगर वो फैल्कन जैसे अपने पंखों को थोड़ा अपने पास ले आए तो वो और ऊंचाई पर उड़ सकेगा. So from there he goes 20,000 feet higher to fly, and he dives from that height, and the speed got increasing. He loved that high speed and he instantly forgot all the negative voices that were roaming in his mind. One day, while flying from 5,000 feet, before finishing his dive, a flock of seagulls just came in between, but thankfully there was no accident. It was his own flock, and he thought if he tells them that he flew higher and he enjoyed it and everyone should fly like that, they would also learn a lot. But things didn't go according to his plan. The leader of the flock scolded him that he should not fly like that and be with the flock eating fishes. But he was not ready to listen to that because he wanted to learn every day and fly higher. So in the conclusion, the leader of the flock outcast him and told him that he was not a part of the flock anymore. So he spent the rest of his days alone, but he didn't feel bad about it because he learned every day. He had got his freedom to fly higher and there was no one to tell him what he had to do. So once while flying, 2 girls followed Jonathan. Jonathan tried to escape from the situation, but those 2 girls were following him and were flying like him. So Jonathan asked them why are they following him. They said that we are your brothers, now we are going to take you back home. You have learned a lot here, now it's time to go to heaven. In heaven, Jonathan saw that his body has changed. His body was glowing and his eyes were different and beautiful. The seagull in the heaven also loved flying. He would spend more time flying with them. Sullivan was his instructor in heaven. Jonathan asked Sullivan that where is everyone? Why there are not many seagulls in the heaven? Sullivan shook his head and replied, the reason why we chose you because you had achieved a lot in one life. Other seagulls take a lot of years to learn what you have learned right now. When Jonathan stretched his arms to fly, Sullivan said that in heaven there was a very old teacher called Chiang and he was about to go in the next world. Jonathan asked him that what is heaven according to you? And he said, heaven एक जगह नहीं है, वो एक तुम्हारे अंदर की फीलिंग है. तुम जन्नत को किसी जगह में मत ढूंढो, पर वो तुम अंदर अपने आप में झांक कर देखो, तुम्हें हेवन वहां पर ही मिलेगा. So Jonathan asked him to teach him and he agreed. Chiang told him, first we have to learn perfection and how to bring perfection to a flight. And without it, you cannot go anywhere. Then you should learn to control your speed. Chiang also told him to fly as fast as thought to anywhere that is. You must begin by knowing that you have already arrived. So Chiang meant that so wherever you have to go, wherever is your destination, visualize yourself that you are in that situation. Like you have achieved an award, like you want to achieve an award, visualize yourself that you have achieved that award, and you will work hard to achieve that award in the process. So Chiang meant that Jonathan should visualize himself as being a good flyer. So the trick according to Chiang for Jonathan was to stop seeing himself as trapped in a limited body, to know that his true nature lived as perfect as unwritten numbers, और वो कहीं भी जा सकता है. So one day while teaching, Chiang's body was shining. He was shining bright, and then he disappeared. But before disappearing, Chiang told Jonathan that you have to understand love, and then only you will go ahead. So Jonathan took some time to realize and understand that what Chiang meant. So after that situation, Jonathan remembered that on Earth there were similar seagulls who didn't have freedom to fly, and he thought that he should teach them and spread love. On Earth there was a seagull known as Fletcher, and he was also left alone from the group because he wanted to fly higher and he also loved flying. So Fletcher got a voice in his head that, do you want to fly higher? And when he turns back, he saw Jonathan, and Fletcher said yes, that he wanted to fly higher. Fletcher was a good student वो लेसन्स को अच्छी तरह से एब्जॉर्ब कर पाता था, और अगर कभी मिस्टेक्स कर भी लेता तो वो उसको जल्दी से सुधार भी लेता उसको. While Jonathan was teaching Fletcher, 6 more students joined him. So after a month, Jonathan told them that we are going back to the flock and teach other students. Jonathan's students told him that we are not going back to the flock because they had, क्योंकि वो flock ने उन seagulls को छोड़ दिया था और they didn't want us to be there. But Jonathan forced them and they went towards the flock. When Jonathan went towards the flock was shocked. The small seagulls were inspired after seeing them, but the leader of the flock told them not to look at them. But Jonathan played a trick. He told his students not to convince them. He just started teaching lessons to them in front of the flock. But after some time, seagulls started joining Jonathan and started taking lessons. And in no time, the flock grew bigger. So once Jonathan was giving lessons to his flock, his body started shining and started getting brighter. And he also got disappeared. तो हमें इस बुक से क्या सीखने को मिलता है? पहली चीज कि अगर आप कुछ नया करने की कोशिश करोगे, कुछ बड़ा, कुछ डिफरेंटली करने की कोशिश करोगे, तो लोग हमेशा नहीं बोलेंगे तुम्हें. पर तुम्हें कुछ वो नई चीज करने के लिए अपनी जुनून चाहिए और हिम्मत चाहिए. सेकेंड, डोंट बी अफ्रेड टू शाइन. लोग कुछ भी बोलेंगे, आइडिया कितना भी छोटा हो, आइडिया कितना भी बड़ा हो, हमेशा अनोखा बनो, हमेशा शाइन करो. थर्ड, टीच अदर्स विद ह्यूमिलिटी. आप कितने भी बड़े मुकाम पर पहुंच जाओ, हमेशा ह्यूमिलिटी अपने पास रखो और ह्यूमिलिटी से सिखाओ. फोर्थ, बी हंग्री फॉर व्हाट यू वांट. आपको जो भी चाहिए उसके लिए वो भूख रखो कि वो तुम्हें चाहिए और तुम उसके लिए बहुत दिनों से इंतजार कर रहे हो. इससे तक फिश खाने की बात नहीं चलती है, इसलिए उस बुक से कनेक्ट मत करना. एंड फिफ्थ, टीच अदर्स व्हाट यू हैव लर्नड. आपको एक बड़ी टीचर बनने की जरूरत नहीं है कुछ सिखाने के लिए. आप एक एज ए स्टूडेंट भी लोगों को सिखा सकते हो. जैसे कि अगर आपने आज इस वीडियो से जो भी सीखा, आप वो लोगों को बता सकते हो, लोगों को सिखा सकते हो. आप लोगों को बता सकते हो कि आपने उस सी गर्ल से क्या सीखा, और रोज की जिंदगी में आप अपने सोशल मीडिया पर डाल सकते हो कि लाइक व्हाट आई हैव लर्नड फ्रॉम टुडे. सो इफ यू लाइक द वीडियो, प्लीज शेयर दिस वीडियो. So if you like the video, please share this video with other people. Subscribe to my channel and tell me which kind of videos you may like on my channel. And thank you LiveGyan YouTube channel for the inspiration of this video. Their channel link in the description. और इसके साथ ही हमारे लोगों के लिए जो बड़ी ऊंचाइयाँ प्राप्त करना चाहते हैं, कुछ अनोखा करना चाहते हैं और वो लोग जो प्यार बढ़ाना चाहते हैं, उनके लिए ये कि आप बदलाव से आप एक कदम नजदीक हो बदलाव के लिए. See you next week. Cheers. कैप्टन सिम्बा देने स्टाइल. जब जॉनथन अर्थ पर आ रहा था तो सुलेवान ने उससे बोला, जॉनथन अर्थ पर आ रहा था तो सुलेवान जो उसके इंस्ट्रक्टर थे उन्होंने ये बोला था, ये बुक के टेक्स्ट है कि Sullivan Seagull laughed in spirit of himself. You crazy bird, he said kindly. If anybody can show someone on the ground how to see 1,000 miles, it will be Jonathan Livingston Seagull. He looked at the sand. Goodbye, John, my friend. Goodbye, Sully. We'll meet again. And with that, Jonathan held in thought an image of the great gull flock on shore of another time, and he knew with practice ease that he was not born and feathered but a perfect idea of freedom and flight, limited by nothing at all. He sang since he loved एक बार वो he was deeply sad and